Introducing the 2018 Volkswagen Golf Highline 1.6tdi M5F 115HP 5-door in a stunning blue exterior colour. This estate vehicle, registered in 2018, is equipped with a 1.6L diesel engine and manual transmission. Packed with features for comfort, safety and style, this Golf Highline includes ambient lighting, Android AutoCarplay, cruise control, collision alert and more. With interior features like cup holders, luxury trim and below-seat storage, as well as security features such as ABS, multiple airbags and parking assistance, you can drive with peace of mind. The styling and security elements, like roof rails and privacy glass, add a touch of sophistication. Rest assured, with the full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specification. For more information on this impressive vehicle, contact us or visit michaelmoore.ie today.